Question number 3 now. The same London question over there. This time it is testing you your arrangement. So it says the Tower of London holds the crown jewels of England. The weights of the crown jewels in kilograms are as follows: 1.6, 3.42, 1.22, and so and so. Write these in order from the smallest to the largest. So the smallest number over here will be 1.16, then 1.22, then 1.6, then 2.03, 2.04, 3.42. So after you do that, you check whether you have done all or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I made a mistake. So the last 1.16. Anything I'm missing? So it's here 3.05 and then 3.42. Okay, this is how you can check whether you have missed any numbers or not. So that's in order now, from the smallest to the largest. The other name for smallest to the largest is called ascending order. Okay, that's the other name. They might ask you. Ascending order is smallest to the largest. And descending order is the largest to smallest. Okay. Then, so that's so far so good. A ticket to visit the Tower of London costs $44.70. Calculate the cost of a tour group of 75 people. Okay, so you know that this is $44.70 times 75 people. You'll see how much it's getting. So you got 44.7 times 75. It gives you 335.2.5. Now there's a catch over here. It's not asking you to round it off. It says round your answer to two significant figures. Two significant figures means if I round it to two solid number, that means non-zeros. So I'll say this is 352. I'll say 352 is closest to 3400. 3 and 4 are significant, and 00 after the number is, they are not significant. So this is two significant number. Good? Right. So that was question number 3 on arranging decimals, and then this one here is significant figures. After we move on to that, the rest of it is just, as I say, playing with buttons in your calculator. What's 29 minus half? So I'll say 29 is 2, ABC 9 minus 1, ABC 2. So I'll say some calculators have got the sign ABC, some has got this one. So I'll say I've got this one here. So I'll say 2 ABC 9 equals to minus 1 ABC 2 equals to. So I'll get negative 5 over 18. Okay. Next one. 1 ABC 9 divided by 2 ABC 5. I'll get 5 over 18. Just knowing the buttons. Fraction is the ABC. Some has ABC, some have got this sign. As I said, something like that. So I'll have, if I said 2, 9, it will mean 2, then I'll press this one, then 9. So that's 2, 9. So far so good, guys. You are just playing with numbers. No one should get this one wrong. A 2-mark question, guys. 2 mark. Remember, every mark is important. Aroha earns $800 a week. If Aroha saves 3/8 of her pay for a trip to London, so she has to pay 3/8. She has to save 3/8 for London trip, and she spends 2/5 of her pay on living expenses. how much of a pay does Aroa have left to spend each week? So how much is left? So let's see how much will she spend altogether. So she spends 3.8 plus 2.5 in living expense and London trip. What's the fraction? What is the fraction she spends altogether? 3 ABC 8 plus 2 ABC 5 gives you 31 over 40. Now 31 over 40 is spent altogether. How much is left? 1 take away 31 over 40, which is, so 31 over 40, which will be, say, 9 over 40. Okay? Because any fraction starts with 1. If you buy a pizza, you'll get a whole pizza. It's 1. So that means 9 over 40, that's the fraction that is left. So how much is that? 9 divided by 40 times, how much did she earn? Times 800. So 9 divided by 40 times 800. So she has got to spend, she has got the saving of 180. So she has only 180 to spend each week. Cool, guys? Good. Next one. This is just calculator. It's Bedham's rule, but your calculator does the trick here. It's negative 8 times 2 plus 10 minus 14. So it's minus 20. Just using the calculator. Okay? Good? Here, square root, what's 26 minus 10? 26 minus 10 is what? You have got 16. Then you place square root of 16. So you do this part first. Plus 2 to the power 4 divided by 18. I could just do that here. So square root is, there's a button here, 16. Plus 2 to the power 4. Then divide by 8. Okay, let's do, okay, so if I have to do it here, we got 16 plus 2 to the power 4 divided by 8. So what's here? 16, what's the square root of 16? So you could say square root of 16 is 4 plus 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power, so 2, this is the power button here. That's one x. So 2 to the power 4 is 2, that 4 will be 2 to the power 4, or the uppy thing is 16 again. So plus 16 divided by 8. So now you could say, let's say 4 plus 16 divided by 8 is 6. Okay, 4 plus 16 divided by 8 is equals to 6.
Yeah.
Good? Okay. So we got the fractions, and then we got Bedham's, and we got Bedham's again. So far so good, guys?
Yeah.
Last one, list the prime numbers between 10 to 30. So prime numbers is what? Prime numbers is a number that has got only 1 as a factor and itself. Like I'll say 10. So 10 is not a prime, is composite. 10, 11. 11 could be a prime number, which is 1 times 11 is 11. Like that's it. 12 is not a prime number because 12 has got 1 times 12 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. How about 13? 13 is a prime number because 1 times 13 is 13. And so on. So you have to stop around 30. Any prime number between 10 to 30. That's what you have to listen to. Okay, guys? Okay. Right. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.